Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the AOTESIER gaming PC, the ultimate gaming setup for all you gaming enthusiasts out there. If you want to take your gaming experience to the next level, then this is the PC for you. First of all, let's talk about the bleeding-edge gaming performance of this PC. With the powerful AMD A87680 processor, you can run all your favorite online games like a breeze. Whether it's League of Legends or CSGO, this PC can handle it all. Not only that, but the super fast processing power of this PC will crush even the most CPU-intensive tasks, giving you a smooth and seamless gaming experience. But what really sets this PC apart is the integrated graphics and distinctless storage. The Radeon R7 processor graphics and 240GB SSD will load all your games much faster than traditional hard disk drives. Say goodbye to slower loading times and enjoy immersive gaming like never before. And if you need more space, we can even add an extra HDD for you. To add a sense of style to this PC, it comes with free shining cooler fans and customizable RGB LEDs. Not only does it look cool, but it also enhances the heat dissipation effect of the case, ensuring that your PC stays cool even during those intense gaming sessions. And the best part is, if you order now, you will receive special gifts with your purchase. But hurry up, the quantity is limited, so don't miss out on this amazing offer. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your gaming setup with the AOTESIER gaming PC today. Click the link in the description to get yours now and experience gaming like never before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.